Everyone can be an electrical engineer. Hello, welcome to Lasting Channel. I'm Mr. Professor. Homepod is a smartphone speaker designed by Apple, competitive in size and outstanding in sound quality. Today, I will analyze from the hardware why this speaker is so expensive and why its sound quality is excellent. By the way, if you are not quite sure how speakers produce sound, you can first take a look at the principle of speakers. At the same time, you can also watch the teardown video of Homepod after you finish this video. I have placed the link in the comment section. The main chip used in Homepod is Apple's self-developed A8 chip. This chip was once used in the iPhone 6. We are sorry that since Apple's chips are not sold externally, we are unable to obtain that datasheet for using this chip. We could tell you how to use such a chip. However, this is also an SoC chip, which has many similarities in functions with the SoC mentioned in the previous video, how to design a TV. Let's go to the point. This is the circuit architecture of a HomePod. Here is the power architecture and the signal architecture of the HomePod. AC-DC section has a power of approximately 70 watts. This core chip of the motherboard is A8, which connects the RF chip, memory chip, power manager chip, UWB chip, and some MCU. These MCU are used to control the amplifier IC, LED, and the touch control parts. UWB provides radar region assist pairing for near-phone interaction. Here the model number of those main chips. If you are interested, you can find the datasheet of those chips and their demos. You will also have a clean understanding of the hardware design of HomePod. On the new generation of HomePod, more and more Apple-designed chips are replaced those from traditional suppliers, and more chips integrated into a single SoC package. The structure of the entire hardware is quite ingenious, and we have listed 3 highlights of HomePod. 1. Sufficient and high-quality materials. It uses 5 independent subwoofer amplifiers and 6 microphones to collect sound for feedback and voice wake-up, and some other sensor chips. 2. Feedback technology. It uses microphones to collect sounds from all directions to tactily improve the audio effect. That's why HomePod has such sound quality, not because of using of any special physical technology or materials as rumored online. 3. Powerful chip. The A8 chip delivers strong performance and sufficient computing power. If it is an ordinary Bluetooth speaker, it only requires an amplifier IC plus Bluetooth MCU, with a cost less than 1/10 of HomePod. Of course, the main value of HomePod lies in its internal audio algorithm and AI OS function. That is the value brought by software. To summarize, HomePod hardware represents the top-tier architecture of current consumer-grade smart speakers. If the HomePod were to be upgraded in the future, the main control chip and the amplifier chip may be updated, while the audio feedback algorithm and dialogue performance could be further enhanced in software. As an electronic engineer, studying those excellent works can better help understanding designers' thinking, improve our innovation. Are there any other product design you would like to know about? Feel free to leave a message, and we will explain them clearly to you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.